Hey everybody, today in this video we're going to be making white chicken chili in the Instant Pot pressure cooker. Let's begin. We have here 4 chicken breasts and we're going to cut them into cubes. There you go. We're going to add some garlic salt. Turn it over. And lastly, we're going to add some black pepper. Turn it over. Okay, we're set, and now I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. Okay, let's start cooking the chicken first. To cook the chicken, we're gonna push on saute mode and let it heat up first. Okay, it's been preheated, and now we're gonna add some olive oil. There you go. Now we're gonna add the chicken. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And stir everything up. We're not going to fully cook it all the way, we just want to sear the surface. Okay, everything is nicely stirred up with the minced garlic. We're just going to let it sit for a bit. Okay, it's been 2 minutes, and now we're just going to flip it over real quick and cook the other side. Okay, we've let it cook for a little bit over a minute, and now we're going to take it out. Okay, we have here 2 cups of diced up white onion. We're going to saute that first. Stir it up. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic to it. Okay, we've been cooking it for a couple minutes, and now we're gonna deglaze the pot. We're gonna start by adding 4 cups of chicken broth, and just go with the wooden spatula and make sure that there's no food stuck on the bottom, or you might get an error from the Instant Pot. Also, while you're doing this, we're gonna turn off the saute mode right now. Okay, it's looking good. First thing what we're going to do is add the chicken back in. Spread that out. For this white chicken chili, we're using cannelli beans. And we're using around 4 cans of it. 4 cans of 15 ounce. And just going to pour it in. I've already drained it. And we're just going to pour it in. We're also going to use diced green chilies. We're using 2 cans of this, so we're using around 8 ounces of diced green chilies. Now let's put it in. We're also using lime juice from 1 lime. I squeezed out 1 lime, and we're just going to pour the lime juice from 1 lime in. We also have here some diced up red peppers. It's just a regular red pepper, and let's put it in. We have here 1/2 cup of diced up cilantro. I'm going to put that in too. We also have here 2 cups of frozen corn. We're also going to be adding 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to cut them into cubes. We're going to spread them out a little bit better. There you go. For the seasoning, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or you can add more if you want it spicier, but I think 1/4 teaspoon is good enough for me. Okay, that's about 1/4 teaspoon. You can add more if you like. We're gonna add 1/2 tablespoon of garlic salt. We're gonna add 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder. That's 1/2 tablespoon. And lastly, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. That's 1 teaspoon. And just stir everything in a little bit. Okay, the seasoning is nicely mixed in. And we're gonna close it up. Okay, this is what it looks like before we close it up. It's in locking position. And we're gonna set it to pressure cook. And we're gonna set it to 7 minutes and saute on 7 minutes. And we're gonna let it start preheating. Okay, it's preheating. We'll be back once the timer starts at 7 minutes. Okay, the red pin has gone up. That means fully pressurized. And the timer should start pretty soon. Okay, the Instant Pot has been fully preheated. And the timer has started for 7 minutes on high pressure. And we'll be back in 7 minutes. Okay, it's been 7 minutes. We're gonna cancel and turn it off. Now we're gonna depressurize the pressure cooker. Okay, the red pin has dropped back down right there, and that means it's safe to open it up. We have here 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to it. And then just stir everything together. Now we're going to take the cornstarch and heavy whipping cream mixture and add it to the Instant Pot. And we just added some of it. We're going to stir it up to see if we got the right thickness. Okay, next we're going to add 8 ounces of sour cream. Mix that all up. Make sure to stir the bottom so that nothing sticks on the bottom. And lastly, we're going to add Monterey Jack cheese, and it's around 2 cups. And we're just going to pour it in. And just stir everything all together. Make sure to stir the bottom so that nothing is sticking to the bottom. Okay, we're done, and we're gonna turn off the Instant Pot. We're gonna start putting it into a bowl. Okay, next we're gonna add some sliced avocados. And we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of chopped up cilantro on top. Okay, this is what we have today, white chicken chili made in the Instant Pot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here guys, have a bite, and thanks for watching.